All right.
It's medium Loctite.
Thank you, sir.
That's probably what you want.
All right. All right.
So clockwise with the engine.
Yeah. Let me see. All right. Let me put the Loctite on here first.
Okay.
You could probably see why it took me 9 months to build this engine, right? Because I just pissed around with it, you know?
Well, you can't be in a hurry with this stuff.
Yeah. All right, go ahead.
Okay.
Wait a minute.
What?
How do we know where the torque converter is?
Well, one thing, you got to shove the torque converter forward. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but how do we know where the bolts of the torque converter line up with the hole of the...
Can you see the torque converter in there?
Hang on.
You could rotate the torque converter, okay?
Yeah.
So let's do this. When you get to one of the holes,
Yeah?
holler at me. And if you want, I can rotate the torque converter till we get the first bolt.
All right, let's do that. All right. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. I'm not certain there's several holes in...
Yeah.
So let's just go ahead and send it around a whole time. Because I'm not certain that's a...
Okay.
I'm not sure that's a mounting bolt. I mean, there's holes galore. There's more holes than Swiss cheese. Jeez, oh Pete. Keep going. That engine's tight, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, that one might be it,
Okay.
but I'm not certain.
Okay, well, I'll tell you what. Let me rotate the torque converter, okay?
Okay.
And you tell me if it lines up. Here.
Stand by.
You see the torque converter ear yet?
Not yet. How are you turning it in that hatch?
Yeah.
Keep going. Wait, whoa. What the hell's that? That might be it. It's hard to tell. And keep going. Oh, wait. Shit.
What?
I just can't tell. Keep going. Well, the good news is there's one every third turn.
Yeah.
Wait. That might be it. That might be it. Let me just see if I can thread it through.
Okay.
I'll just try it by hand. Oh wait, hang on. No, we're gonna have to turn the engine over a little bit more.
Okay.
Yeah, there's no way that's gonna...
Okay. Ready?
Yep, just very slowly. A little bit more. All right, right there.
Okay.
All right, now the torque converter is gonna need to be moved.
Okay, which way?
Clockwise, same way.
Okay.
Okay, stop. Okay, turn it a little bit more. Oh, I think I'm in it. But I don't want to drop it. Shit. Okay, hang on. I think we're going to need to turn the engine. I am so sorry to ask you to do this again.
That's fine.
If you turn the engine just a shade bit more.
Okay.
A little bit more. Keep going. Keep going. Stop. Okay. Now that gives me the most room. Okay. Now go ahead and turn the torque converter.
Okay.
Oh. All right. Stop right there. Oh, shit. Try coming back the other way. It's no go there.
Okay.
Turn it a little bit. Wait, stop. All right, a little bit more. Let's try that. Oh, shit. I think I got a fish on. Do I? Well, feels like it's threading. All right, it's threading. All right.
Okay.
So we'll just, oh, go ahead.
I would just hand tighten it for now.
All right. Well, here's the deal. I didn't put the Loctite one on there because I just wanted to
Okay. Locate it.
locate it.
Okay.
So
And
let me.
What we could do is we could get all three in there.
Uh-huh.
We could get all three in there, and then once we get the third one in there, then we could begin to torque them and put like a mark on it
Uh-huh.
so that we know we've got, you know, like a piece of tape or something.
Yeah, I got a magic marker or paint pen.
Yeah.
All right, it's torquing.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. That's 90 degrees, okay?
Okay. All right, a little bit more. A little bit more. All right, stop right there.
Okay.
All right, I'm reasonably confident that I'm going to go ahead and put some Loctite on here.
Okay.
Okay, hang on, let me torque it, just tighten it just a little bit.
All right, do you want to go ahead and torque it down now, or what do you think?
No, let's go ahead and get the,
Okay. Third one in?
yeah.
We'll start torquing with the third one?
Yep.
Okay.
That's not threading right. Can you turn it just a shade bit more?
Mm-hmm.
All right, right there. You see how I struggle switching hands all the time?
Yeah.
It's because I'm a lefty. Hang on, I'm not feeling warm and fuzzy about that one for some reason. Do we have that? Where's that other 15? That 15 millimeter shallow socket.
Okay, I'm going to look here.
I've got it.
Okay, you got it?
Yep.
Okay, very good.
All right, let's rotate it around.
Okay, you ready?
To hell with it. Now we're coming up to the Swiss cheese.
That's 90. Okay.
Okay. 30, what? 30 more degrees?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead.
That's pretty close.
A little bit more. Oh, I think I see it. A little bit more. Stop right there. Let's rotate it just another 3 degrees.
Okay.
All right, right there. Oh my hell, it's threading. Seems to be threading now. Where is it? Wait a minute, hang on. You know, I could almost see the threads on the torque converter, but for why on earth it's not? Maybe you could stick your hand in there and see if you could thread that here. Let me. Because I'm just seem like I'm like getting caught on something. Because I sure as heck. You feel that resistance?
No.
No? It's threading? Is it threading for you?
You know, I think
Huh?
right now, what happened was the other two.
Yeah.
You want the stool?
It's fine either way. What happened with the other two?
So the other two were in there,
Yeah.
but I think it allowed it to shift enough to where it wasn't lining up exactly. So once I kind of grabbed the torque converter and moved it a little bit with a screw and centered the hole, and then it went right in.
All right, so I think what I'm gonna have to do is get some extensions and just try to hit it from a different angle.
Okay.
I'm gonna try this short one real quick.
Short one?
Yeah, I've got one right here.
You got one? Okay. Is that gonna work?
Beautifully.
Okay.
That made all the difference in the world. All right, so let me put some torque on there.
Okay.
Oh, torque wrench, where are you? All right, 40. So we'll go back to 0, and that should be 45, and then we'll go to 1, and that should be 46. You know, the bigger the wrench, the less the movement. All right, how can I bridge that? Can I come at it from a different angle somehow? Can I go over, under, through the motor mount? No.
Are you gonna have to go from underneath, you think?
I sure as hell hope not.
Yeah, I know.
But if that's what it requires.
You need to cut off 15 or what?
No, this one's fine. It's just I don't have much
Room to move?
move, yeah. I get like one click when I go up,
Yeah.
you know?
One click's all you need, buddy.
All right. Let me take a different perspective.
Okay.
All right.
I wonder if you're gonna have to sit down and go up from underneath.
I'd like to avoid that if possible. Yep. I'm tired of going underneath. But if that's what it takes, we will do that. Okay. So if we stick this back here,
Okay.
that'll get it in the neighborhood.
Okay.
And I'll guide it on.
Okay.
And okay. So where are we at here?
Oops.
All right. Is there any way you can lift up?
Like that?
Hang on. You know what? Let me use that universal.
Okay.
And the universal will... Let me take this little tiny